What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I've got a video for you that features my brother, DFishman76 or Daryl, and another good buddy, Randy, 628 Dirt Rooster, and his son, Jacob. We went out to Lake Tillery, caught some catfish, and had a great time. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's just a couple of clips of us going out and doing some fishing and having a wonderful time. But that's why we buy lots of leaders and hooks.
See, it's so rocky up there, you can't really throw it out and leave it on the bottom.
No, with the weights and stuff, it'll get hung up on it.
And you'll still get hung up with this stuff.
Yeah. And you've got to be careful on how you pull this braid to try to break the line off, because it will cut you quick.
What braid is it?
This is Power Pro. The white is Power Pro. The green that's right there is Suffix 828, I think is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
What's that little fishes? You don't know if you're, that's what watermark is like. Grab them, they got
Like, they blow out.
you got like a
Rubber shark in place. There's spines on their back, blow up. They will cut the crap out of it. Which pole you want?
I don't care.
Everybody.
First on of the day.
I don't think he's very big though, he ain't pulling drag. He hasn't seen the boat yet.
He hadn't seen the boat. When he sees the boat, he goes, oh, that's a professional there. I gotta go.
I got to go. Got the redneck color. It's a little tin can. No, it's a little blue. Little blue catfish.
Good. Oh, you didn't cut his fin off. Cause
Oh, did you cut it off?
I don't know. It's gone. Something cut it. I bet the line cut it.
Yep. Did the hook come out? Let me see.
You put your fingers in the mouth of them?
You can, but they got a little bite pressure to it. But the best thing is hold them under there. That way they can't stick you or anything.
Hold on, where?
Right there where my hand is at. So put your hand under mine. There you go.
The big
Big
Randy.
cat.
Meow meow. Meow meow.
You ready? You got it?
Got him. It's a baloosh. Got to get the cat
Gotta
off your
get
hands.
the juice off. It's like handling a can of Vienna sausage. Back to work, man. Whoop, whoop.
Come on. Beautiness. You can lip them.
Would that be considered heavy tail?
I know, right? Did you hook him? Did you actually hook him? Hook him on the side of the face. Give me a kiss, Rooster. I want some loving.
Pucker up, fish lips. It's gonna be a littler one, way littler than last time. Come under me.
You gotta go under him, D. There you go.
Hey, try. I can't reach around him. I'm stuck. He decided to go down.
So I heard that little comment a while ago you made.
Yeah, he wasn't pulling hard to begin with. Now he decided he don't want to be up here.
So I heard that little comment. I'm gonna show you what's up.
He's fighting now.
Oh, ooh, very nice. Going around that corner there. Very nice. Get him over to anchor rope. Oh. Don't get in the anchor. Holy crap, Dad, get the net. Ah, you broke it.
Oh no.
You're not come untied. We got him on video at least. Ah! Meow! Meow! The gooder.
I'm just getting out of the way so I don't step on it.
That one you had on a while ago, Randy. About that size, it's not.
Yeah. That's a black tip shark.
So the catfish I'm catching these right over here in that area. Yeah, I can see these places.
Come on, who?
Got him.
That's a heavy fish.
Big old catfish. We got a white eye.
Hold it, look at me. Put him up. There you go.
Ready back alive. Take a spin, baby. Woo!
So this next clip is a video of me and my brother. While we were catfishing, we had seen some fish blowing up on top of the water, so we decided we would fish for them on the way out. So we tied on a couple topwater lures and gave it a go.
What's up, Mr. Largy? Hey.
He's right now saying, I wish I had never opened my big mouth.
Yes. Mama told me there'd be days like these. Nice chub.
One after the next.
Like fish in a barrel. Little chub.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had an awesome time that day, hanging out, spending some time with some good folks. So, hope you enjoyed it. If you got any questions, throw them in the comments below. And as always, take care, be careful, and I'll talk to you later.